Hello YouTube, I'm that one guy, and thank you for once again tuning into my channel. I appreciate all the support and subscribers that have been subscribing to the channel. And I do apologize for the lengthy delay and time that it's taken me to get another video out to you all. Today we will be doing, as always, another random video. And I'm going to be reviewing a pillow that was quite expensive that I stumbled upon. Why am I reviewing a pillow? I don't really know, but I felt the need to do it, so here we are. A little bit of backstory on this. I, over the past couple weeks, have been having an issue with my hands falling asleep while I am sleeping. And presumably because the pillows I have are crappy, and it's time to get them replaced anyway, and I'm probably pinching a nerve in my wrist or elbow or arm or forearm. I don't know, maybe somebody's a doctor or professional that can help me out and give me some insight in the comments about what's going on here, but that would be my guess. So, I stumbled into the Sleep Number store the other day, and I bought cha-ching, a Sleep Number pillow. Now, as you can see, this is, let's see if I can get this to focus here, the Ultimate Comfort Fit pillow. So I thought, well, what the hell, I'll give it a shot. And if you've been in a Sleep Number store before, you know that they've got a lot of different options and a lot of different things to choose from. So I began looking through, and as I said, I stumbled across this Comfort Fit Ultimate pillow. And I look at the price tag, and this pillow that I'm holding right here is $139.99 plus tax. That's for the regular size pillow. The King, $159.99 plus tax. So I thought to myself, well, good Lord, I better be feeling like I'm sleeping on a cloud after purchasing this. So, let's see. I will say that I have been sleeping better, and it's been quite comfortable, so I wanted to put this video out there for anybody else who might be experiencing the same issues or having the same issues I am. And maybe if it's within your price range, you give it a shot. So, anyway, let's get to it.
This is the package that the pillow comes in. It's fairly nice, kind of like a mesh bag here. Nice handle on top. And you unzip it from the top. But there's something really cool about this pillow, guys, that I really want to show you that I think is super, super cool. Let's get this bad boy open down here. So this is the pillow. Super comfortable. I always sleep with two pillows, or I should say I used to always sleep with two pillows before I purchased this one. And now I only need to sleep with just this one, which is super nice. Oh, by the way, I'm going to mention as well that with Sleep Number, you get a 100-night in-home trial period. And if you are not satisfied with your purchase, you can take it back to the store. So overall, it's pretty cushy. And as you can see with the little pamphlet that comes within the bag, there are 3 inserts, as you can see, within this pillow. And they can be adjusted based upon your, or the way you sleep. Now, personally, I'm a side sleeper. So I sleep with all 3 inserts in. But as you can see, it just unzips. Super cool design. And then there's 3 inserts in the pillow. Pretty neat. I don't know who would sleep with one, but I don't know. I guess there's some people that don't like a big pillow. But yeah, guys, just wanted to show you that pillow real quick. I know it's a super random video, but I thought it was pretty cool, and I wanted to put a product out there that some people might enjoy or might find useful. So there you go. Again, that is the Comfort Ultimate Pillow from Sleep Number. And so far, I'm pretty impressed. If anybody else uses this pillow, let me know in the comments. I'd like to know how long you've had yours or how well it holds up. And yeah, that's it. So as always, thank you for tuning into the video. Please consider subscribing to the channel if you have not already. I would really appreciate that. And I will see you all soon.